Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a waitlist here on StanStore. All right. To create a waitlist on StanStore, you can leverage the collect emails or applications product type. So let's just go ahead over to store right here and then go ahead over to landing page. Just click on it and hit on create. And here we have collect emails and applications. Now this feature right here allows you to gather email addresses from potential customers interested in the product or service before it's officially launched or available. You can then use these collected emails to build anticipation and potentially offer early access or discounts to those on the waitlist. Okay. And once you have created this one, you can go ahead over to more right here and then add email flows. Okay. I'm going to explain this one to you later. Go ahead over to my store, again, landing page, hit on create, collect emails and applications like so. Go ahead and upload your own image right here or select from these royalty-free images from StanStore itself. Okay. Maybe I'm just going to use this one. All right. Use this photo. Here's the preview, by the way. You can go ahead and add in your title. All right. And then the description body. You can go ahead and erase this one and generate with AI right here. Or if you do have your own description, just write it down in here. Okay. Just clearly explain what the waitlist is for and what users can expect when they sign up. All right. Like you will get my ebook for $1 on release date. Just like that. All right. Scroll down, bottom title right here, save a spot now, like so, and then download or get, just like that. All right. I don't know why it isn't refreshing, but it doesn't matter. It will just refresh later when you save it as a draft or publish it. Okay. Basic fields right here, name, email. If you want to add like a phone number and make it required, you can go ahead and do so. If not, just leave it as is and then just hit on publish. All right. So once that's done, it will refresh the page and then you'll be headed to your landing page section. So whenever there are customers that will sign in right here or sign up, it will be landed right here under email flows. Just make sure to enable this one and make sure that you have upgraded to Creator Pro on Stan. In here, just make sure to engage with them, provide updates, and build excitement for the launch. And when the product is ready, launch it and continue to monitor the waitlist performance, make adjustments as needed. And just by following these steps, you can effectively use StanStore's feature to create a waitlist that generates buzz and helps you launch your products successfully. There you have it. Now, if you don't know how to share the page, just go ahead over to my store once more, landing page, click on three dots and copy the URL. There you have it. And that's how you create a waitlist on StanStore. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.